let's say we have this text wrapping around this bottle. You can see it's almost wrapping up to this side, and you can actually see it. Let's say you want to close it up, so we can actually come to Illustrator and just maybe just close it up a bit and just have it smaller. Okay, click Ctrl S and having it saved, then we can come here now. Let's come here and let's have it update here. I didn't do anything, just updated right in front of you. And since it has updated, I'll just click Ctrl S and now it's going to update here, okay, without you just doing anything. Okay, so that's what we'll be doing in this video. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive right into it. Okay, this is what we'll be working with. I have this PSD file from, you can go to the website and download PSD files for free. So we have this mockup here, and this is the one we'll be using. Okay, this is the one we have. I'm going to double click on it. So this is what we have now as the PSD file. Okay, and we just want to replace it here. So we just want to replace our logo or the design that we've made with this part here. So we're going to come here. This is the structure of the folder as it came, and we're going to open this place that says label. I'm going to double click on this, and it's going to open up because it's smart object. Okay, and once this is open, now we have this. So we're going to import our design, which is this body butter. We're going to drag it into Photoshop and place it here. Okay, it's going to ask you, is it a page? Normally I just take the default, okay, and I click OK. This is going to import your design here. Okay, I'm just going to click OK, and now that we have this, we're going to turn off the rest of whatever is there. Okay, and then just scale this to fill our design. Okay, now we have this like this. So let's click OK. Let's click Ctrl S to save it. So now if you come here, now you're going to have your design on your mockup like this. Okay, now let's say you send this to the client, and the client say, oh, I want the body butter to be at the bottom, and you have this logo like this to be at the top. Okay, there's no way you can do it. Most times what people do is to come to Illustrator, maybe just save the file again as a PNG, and they just drag in. But most times you can actually just update this file without you going through that stress. Okay, what you need to do, since this one has come in as a smart object, you have to right click it and say relink file. Okay, relink to file. Okay, there are two relink here. We have relink to library. Relink to library graphics is for those with the Creative Cloud. Okay, Creative Cloud. This just work online, but this will work manually. Okay, I'm going to click on this one. This is what we'll be doing, and now you're going to look for that file that you opened up, the PSD. I mean the Illustrator file, which is this one. You're going to click on it and say replace. Okay, and it's going to give you the normal importation when you are importing Illustrator file. So just click OK. That's all you need, and it's going to replace. Now you see this icon here has changed. Let me click Ctrl Z again. Maybe you didn't notice that. Okay, Ctrl Z. We have the smart object icon. Now if I redo again, it's going to change to this link icon. Now the way Photoshop actually works is that whenever you import something into Photoshop, it embeds it into the design document. But with this one now, if you should move this file from this part here now, okay, it's going to tell you that the file is missing because this is not, you are not embedding this design into the PSD document. It's like an extra file that is somewhere else, and you just need to work with the file. And this is one thing that makes Photoshop really better. But sometimes you just want to update files, you just have to use this method most times. So now that the file has been relinked, you can come now to your PSD file. Okay, and any whatever update you make here is going to update in Photoshop. Okay, now let's say I want to, let's drag this one down, and let's take this one up. Okay, let's say this is the change that the client wants. Okay, this doesn't make sense, but just for example's sake, let's just get it right. Okay, let's say you want to even make better changes than what we are trying to use as example here. Okay, and let's just put this one like this. Okay, so let's just click Ctrl S now, and once you click Ctrl S, it's going to take a while. It's going to save. It's going to save. Now if you navigate back to Photoshop, okay, it's going to take a while, and it's just going to update automatically. I didn't do anything, just by coming here. But sometimes, let's say you are here and nothing updated, you can actually come to the layer here, right click on it, and you're going to say update all modifier content. Okay, once you click on it, it's just going to update to. So now that you've updated it, if you click Ctrl S by saving this now, since it's a smart object, and come back to your main designer, you're going to have it updated. Okay, so it's very easy to make. This can really help quicken your work. That brings us to the end of the video. I hope you find it helpful. If you find it helpful, please hit the like button, and if this is your first time, please hit the subscribe button. And today is day 79 of me teaching what I know as a graphic designer. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.